welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl and I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well and you are not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of budget-friendly content. I show you different ways of how to style your home and save money in the process. So today I thought it would be fun to show you how I will be decorating my entryway. Right now it is a blank canvas. Speaking of canvas, this Let's Stay Home I picked up from Burlington, probably about 3 years ago now. It was on clearance because it had a slight smudge at the bottom, which you can see, and I tried to get that out as best as possible, and you can't really see it from far away unless you're really looking because you're more focused on the Let's Stay at Home part, and normally when this is decorated you don't really see it at all. This horse photo I picked up from Ross. I have a lot of people comment on him asking where I picked him up, and that is where I did pick up this canvas. It was on sale. I think it was $19.99, or maybe that's the regular price, but I absolutely love the way he looked, and he is gray and black. If you did not know, my signature colors are black and white. That's how I decorate my home, and I thought he fit perfectly here. So this is what we're working with. The credenza came from Overstock. It is a dark wood finish. It was supposed to be black, but it's actually a dark wood, as you can see, an espresso color. And don't mind my feet, the glass is a mirrored antique type finish, which I absolutely love. So this is going to be our starting point. And I am going to set up a little vignette here, and the chair rail molding, if I could talk, I put that up a few years ago. I do want to add chair rail molding here in the home, but my boyfriend didn't like this. He said it looked too thin. He wants some more chunky molding, and we just haven't gotten around to refinishing it yet, but we will. So that's what that is. To decorating, and I will show you several different styles, and I want you to let me know which one you like best, and that is probably the one that I will choose to style my home for fall. So let's get started. All right guys, so here is the first look. I posted this first look on my community page and asked people what they thought of this entryway styling. Most everyone loved it as it is. However, there were some comments that less is more and there was too many items on the table. But this is how I initially styled the entryway. And this lamp came from Target. It is $41.99. And the lampshade is a lampshade I already had, and this vase is actually a vase that I picked up for $1.29. As you can see, it has some texture to it. I tried to add texture. This was a clear vase. It was $1.99 from Ross, and I try to add texture to anything I paint by just leaving the paint streaks, and I actually love it. Let me know what you think. But it was $1.99. As I said, I painted it black. These flowers I showed you in a haul. I picked these up from Target. They came from the Target dollar spot. They were on clearance. I got a bundle of 3 for $4.99, and I actually picked up several bundles because initially they're $9.99. I also picked up these little, I don't know, they look like dandelion type plants to me, but these also came from the Target dollar spot. Again, $4.99. Regular price is $9.99. but I like these colors. I want to use these colors for fall, and so I really like this. And I put the little black vase that I also picked up from a haul. It was on clearance from the at-home store, and it was already black, but it was gold at the top, and I just painted that black, and so it has a black acrylic paint at the top and a matte bottom, which I really like that. And so I just decided not to paint the whole vase. And these little, again, they look like dandelions, came from Amazon, and I can leave a link for those down below if you are interested, as well as a link for these flowers if I can find them, if they're still on Target's website. This little Aztec person I picked up from the at-home store. I like him because he was giving me Restoration Hardware vibes, so I picked him up, and he was $19.99. This vase I also picked up from the at-home store, or not the at-home store, it was at Home Goods, and it was $24.99. I love the unique shape of the vase. I love the texture in it, and I just absolutely love it. It's giving me a modern, sophisticated feel, so I picked that up. I decided to pair underneath it a pair of placemats that I picked up from Pier 1. They're the evergreen placemats, and I decorate my home with green, varying shades of green. So it's black, white, greens, gray, and a touch of glam. So I wanted to try to bring more greenery to this area, so that's why I'm using the placemats, but a lot of you said I need to loose them. So I'm going to show you a look without those as well. And then over here, I have my like mango wood statue that I picked up from Z Gallery. I got him on clearance a couple of years ago. No, actually I did not. I always said never buy anything full price. However, I really love these mango wood pieces, and I knew they were going clearance, but I was impatient and didn't want to wait, so I went ahead and paid full price for them. I forget how much they were, but I will leave a link for those on the website as well. And this one I did pick up on clearance, and I got it from, whoops, I took the tag off, but it's from Kroger, and it was brown, and I have just painted it all black to match my decor better. So this is how the first styling looks. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. As I said, a lot of you on my community tab said there were too many things on the entryway table at this point, so we're going to take some things off and come back and see how it looks. Guys, so I removed some things from the initial styling. I took away the floral arrangement, and I just left the statue and the little black vase. I took away the placemats and just left the bowl, and this is how the second styling is looking. I do like it. I think people were right, there were too many items on the initial entryway styling, so I do like this. Yeah, so it may stay like that. However, we're gonna play around a little bit more and see what else we can come up with. So keep watching. All right, so here is our third look. I removed the mango wood and the other wood statue and added a lamp, and the lamp matches the other lamp, and I really like this. It's giving me a very modern, very modern, sophisticated look. I really like this. Again, I'm going for clean and simple for fall. I might throw in a few pumpkins, maybe some pumpkins I can add to our vase here to give it some fall vibes. I know a lot of people said I should add color for fall, like reds, orange, greens, and yellow, or not greens, red, orange, and yellow, which are your typical fall colors, but they are not my colors. I don't decorate in those colors. So I wanted to keep it modern and sophisticated with just the greens. So I think the small pop of green is perfect, and I just add some pumpkins and it will be even better. But this is what we have so far. And before I show you our next look, like I said, if you are liking the content, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that you like the content so they can push it out to more people. Please also like and subscribe. If you are not already subscribed, as I said, I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So with all that said, let's go on to our fourth look. I really like this clean and sophisticated look. It is very modern and simplistic. I like it. Let me know what you think and leave a comment down below. Which styling have you liked so far? I would love to know. But before you can give your answer, let me show you two more unique stylings. All right, guys, so here is our fifth look. Again, very simple and modern, sophisticated in my opinion. Not too frilly or over the top. We are using the horse head that I picked up from the at-home store. He came from the garden center. He was $54.99 and not a bad price. I just love how he looks, and he is giving me serious Restoration Hardware vibes. Like I said in my previous video, if you have missed that video, I will leave a link where I went shopping looking for Restoration Hardware-esque items at the at-home store and the Goodwill. Yes, the Goodwill. So don't sleep on Goodwill. I will show you some things that I found in that video that might inspire you and help you think outside the box. So I'm using my horse head here, and I have sat him on top of a book that I picked up from the Goodwill. I just painted it black. This book came from the Dollar Tree and I just painted it white. Again, black and white are my aesthetics. I think it looks so modern, and that's what I'm going for in my home, a modern, sophisticated glam. So not so much glammy glam, but just touches here and there, more modern. So I love this look. I do absolutely love it. This might be my final choice with a few pumpkins, white pumpkins added here or there. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. So on to our sixth and final styling. Here is our last and final entryway styling. I love it too. I am using the vase that I picked up from the Goodwill. Again, it was in my Restoration Hardware Shop With Me Dupes video. Like I said, if you missed that, I will leave a link for you down below and in the iCards above. But this is giving me Restoration Hardware vibes. I absolutely love it. It was green and I painted it black with a black chalk paint, which gives it a very matte finish. And I just added some olive branches that I ordered from Amazon. I'm not really in love with these olive branches, but I like the overall aesthetic. So I have ordered some more olive branches from Joann's that looked a lot more authentic. They were $15 on sale for $7. So I'm hoping that will give me, since they're a little more expensive, a better quality. So we shall see. But I love this overall aesthetic. Again, very modern, simplistic. I absolutely love it. And you guys, I think this is what I am actually going to go with for fall. It's got my black, it's got green, very simple. I can add some scatter of pumpkins around, a combination of white and black. Can you see it? It's going to be so awesome. So yeah, this is going to be my final pick. But let me know which one you would pick, or if you were me and it were your home, which one would you choose? Again, I like this. So I hope you have enjoyed today's content and it has given you a little inspiration. Again, I like to shop for things on a budget and make my home look more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in as well, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I forgot to tell you, but this vase I picked up from the Goodwill. It was $4.99. And it looks so high end to me, guys. Again, something that you would see at Restoration Hardware, very modern. And that is the aesthetic I am going for fall. So again, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Again, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, it really doesn't cost you anything. I see a lot of people really liked watching my last video, but you didn't leave a comment or a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, guys. It really helps out my channel. If you like the content, it lets YouTube know you like the content so they can push it out to more people so they can enjoy the content as well. So if you would be so kind as to smash that like and subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.